Hi guys, I'm Isa. We was part 2 of the starting and setting up VSCode. So we're going to continue from where we left off. So, there's a bunch of this stuff. Oh, there's also auto indent. Well, I mean, you should probably just leave it as full unless it's doing things you don't want it to do. And then, oh, also, you can use this thing to navigate. You don't want to have to scroll through all these. For example, the mini map. Mini map is this thing up here that shows the mini map. So let's hide it because I mean it kind of just takes up space and suggestions. It's just code suggestions. So let's create a new Python file. As you can see, suggestions, automatic suggestions. So you probably want to leave these on. Anyways, and then the workbench. You can change how it looks or the breadcrumbs. Yeah, you can do a bunch of these. I'm not really interested in any of these, except for Zen mode, perhaps. Zen mode, it's just a mode you can do. So let's try entering Zen mode. It's gonna do this. Just gonna be no distractions. Let me get out here. The Control K is Z. That's the keybind for it. You can change your settings here, of course. And then here's the features. So here are just a bunch of features. If there's something you don't like, you can change it here. And for example, the terminal. Let me open the VS Code terminal. Here it is. Yeah, if you use Linux, you can change this. If Mac OS, you can change this. In Windows, yeah. Since I'm using Windows, or at least I'm using Windows on this computer, you can change this to be whatever you want. Like maybe you can change it from command line to, from CMD to PowerShell. Anyways. So then the application. There's a bunch of things that has to do with PS Code, like, telemetry, experimental stuff, and things like that. And then finally the extensions. So there are a bunch of extensions here. Like, for example, if you have any of these extensions installed, then you can change the setting. Like, I have the Python extension installed, so I can do this. But yeah. Anyways. So let's just open a folder. Let's just call it it's code. So now we can create a new file. Oh yeah, we've got to click that trust the authors button. Just click always trust. So I always trust you. So yeah, main.apply. Oh, basically then you just write your code. Anyways, so we're gonna call these as well. So this is search. It just searches for things. It searches for things. You can also replace them with other things. So just find and replace. Replace changes it. Then there's Git. Oh, we're not talking about Git now. We're gonna talk about. We're gonna talk about Git in another tutorial. And then there's the debugging thing. So let's just. Okay, so since I have Python installed, I can do this. Print hello. I could say name is equal to n. I'm gonna print hello plus name. Oh, I'm gonna turn this hello into a string, of course. And then I'm gonna add an exclamation mark after that. So now let's create a launch.json file, to customize the run and debug thingy. So now let's press the run button and run this Python file. I'm just gonna wait for a minute until it runs. So the code will run. So you can also debug the code. So yeah, we have to set a breakpoints. Let's set a breakpoints here. Oh no, how about here instead? So now let's run it again. So now at the breakpoints, we're gonna see all the info about the stuff. Like for example, this name variable, as you can see, equals to n. Also all these special variables, things like that. But yeah, they also need some controls over here. Use them to step over, step into, step out, restart, stop, things like that. And here are the extensions. I already know about that. And finally, there's testing. So you can use test frameworks. I mean, we don't really care about that right now. So yeah, that's the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.